Inkscape make image to any PNG. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and begin by creating or opening your design so you can access the artwork you want to export. Check your artwork layout carefully to ensure all elements are arranged correctly and positioned as intended within the canvas. Make sure everything is visible and nothing important is hidden, clipped, or placed outside the page boundaries. Select object that you want to export if you only need a specific part of the design. Go to File menu located at the top of the interface and click Export to start the exporting process. The export panel will appear on the side of the screen, providing several options to control how your file will be saved. Choose Export Area based on your needs, then select Page option if you want to export the entire page layout. Or choose Selection option if you previously selected a specific object or group. Set export width and adjust it according to your desired output size. Set export height to maintain proper proportions or match specific requirements. Adjust DPI value to control the resolution of the exported image. Use 96 DPI for normal screen use, such as web or presentations. Use 300 DPI for high-quality output, such as printing or detail graphics. Choose export location on your computer where the file will be saved. Set file name clearly so you can identify the exported image easily later. Click Export button to begin the export process and wait for processing to complete. Check exported file in the selected folder to ensure it has been created successfully. Open PNG image using an image viewer to review the final result. Review quality by checking sharpness, colors, and overall appearance. Fix if needed by returning to Inkscape and making adjustments. Re-export if necessary until you are satisfied with the result. Save original SVG file to preserve your editable project. Close project when all steps are complete. Make sure to organize your exported files properly